Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to run Flow Launcher automatically at Windows Startup. Enabling this feature lets Flow Launcher start in the background every time you sign in, so it's always ready whenever you need to search for apps, files, or commands. So let's get started. First, open Flow Launcher on your Windows computer using its default keyboard shortcut, or launch it from the Start menu. Once the launcher opens, click the Settings icon to access the configuration menu. Next, look for the General or Startup settings, depending on the version you're using. Find the option labeled Run at Startup or Launch at Windows Startup, then turn the toggle on or check the corresponding box. Yeah, this tells Windows to start Flow Launcher automatically each time you log in. After enabling the option, close the Settings window. Flow Launcher saves most preferences automatically, so there's usually no need to click a Save button. To make sure everything is working correctly, restart your computer and sign back into Windows. Once your desktop loads, Flow Launcher should start automatically and run quietly in the background. You can press the default keyboard shortcut, usually Alt and Space, to confirm that it's ready to use. If it doesn't launch, reopen the settings to verify that the startup option is still enabled, or check the Windows Startup Apps list to ensure Flow Launcher hasn't been disabled. Running Flow Launcher at startup can save time because it's always available without needing to launch it manually each day, and that's it. You now know how to run Flow Launcher at startup and have it ready every time Windows starts. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.